Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome back to Travels Abound. If you have not already done so, please feel free to subscribe and like this video. Today's video is going to be a little different. We have a 2021 Reflection 31MB. It's a great floor plan, but we have decided to work towards going full-time RV. I know, crazy, right? Some may not think so. We don't think so, but it's a goal. It's what we're working towards. Let me look down before I fall down the steps. There's only one issue with this camper, with this layout. It is this top bunk. This top bunk does not have very much height on it. My daughter sleeps up here. Sometimes in the middle of the night when she has to get up, she forgets where she is and she sits up and bumps her head. That noise right there I have learned to listen for, and because I know that a scream and a cry is coming right after that because she gets so mad. I would too, but she gets so mad when she hits her head. And if we're going full-time RV, that's not going to work. We all need to be happy. So we have looked at different floor plans, bunkhouse floor plans, which would be a rear bunk with more space above it. We're looking at toy haulers, and it's kind of been difficult to find anything because the market is so crazy right now and everything's selling before it gets to the lot. But we were fortunate enough this past week to be able to go and look at a larger lot. We drove 6.5 hours round trip to film this next video that you're fixing to watch, but they had a bigger variety of toy haulers and rear bunks. We fell in love with the Solitude 3740BH. That right now is top of our list, but we are looking at toy haulers and other bunk options as well. So I just wanted to take y'all along and film some of those videos and some of those floor plans, and just to bring you along and say, hey, that looks good or that doesn't look good. I agree with you. So with all that being said, if you have a toy hauler and you've converted it into a rear bedroom for your family or for your kids to stay in, let me know. Let us know in the comments below what you have, if you like it, if you don't like it. If you have a bunkhouse, be it a mid bunk or a rear bunk that has a taller area above the top bunk, let us know. Let us know what that floor plan is. Please give us some comments, give us some feedback. We'd love to hear from you and see what you have done and what you are currently either living in or going out every weekend or on the weekends in. Just what works for you. Let us know that. So without further ado, I'm going to start this video and y'all come on along. Let's go. Okay, so this is a 3740BH made by Grand Design. It is a Solitude. Right now we're in the half bath off of the bunk room. You can see there's a lot of storage for towels and toilet paper and whatever else. There's a bunk that's folded up above the trifold sofa. The top bunk has a lot of headroom up to the roof, and then a little cubby hole underneath that. The closet space in here is pretty moderate. You could probably hang 2 hanging rods and have seasonal clothes toward the back. Turning around into the living area, we really love this floor plan. It's really laid out well. The island is huge, and the windows, they're so big it makes it look 10 times bigger than it really is in there. This is probably our favorite so far of the floor plans that we've been in. Nice coffee nook, decent pantry storage. And moving up, you can see there is solid surface countertops with an inset stainless steel sink, porcelain foot flush toilet, a single molded fiberglass insert for the shower, and really deep storage top and bottom. And then this is the best part, is the east-west bed. I love the space that the east-west bed gives, and that's when you have a bed on a slide out that goes to the left or the right instead of a bed that's north to south that doesn't move. But we really love this floor plan for the kids, for the east-west bed, and the pretty good size bathroom. And again, this is the Solitude by Grand Design, and it is a 3740BH. Okay, the next camper is a Solitude 3550BH-R. The -R stands for that residential refrigerator right there. This is a very good open floor plan as well. It reminds us of our 2019 28BH reflection that we had. But it has the rear double over double bunks in the back, and their own air conditioner in the bunk room. That is a trifold sofa to the right, and those are electric recliners. But you can see too how big the island is. It's huge. Cabinets above the coffee nook. It's got a place for your shoes. That for us is big. It has a coat closet as soon as you come in the door, and your controls and your fuse panel right there. Stepping up, this is what I really liked about this unit, is how open the bathroom and the master are. The window above the king-size bed really helps open up the area, and you can see there's a lot of storage underneath the bed as well. And this long slide that has the kitchen or the bathroom sink, and the closet in it makes the bathroom look huge. It's got a one-piece molded fiberglass shower insert. It's just really open. We really liked it. Up next is the Grand Design Momentum 381M. This is a toy hauler floor plan. You can see it has a north-south bed. There's no slide for the bed, but there is a lot of room in front of the bed between the wall. It's got a nice, decent sized bathroom with a big shower. It has a little less of an open floor plan because it is a toy hauler, but it's got the nice island, a residential style stove and oven, fireplace, an electric fireplace, and then this is the toy hauler section. It has a Happy Jack bed system where 2 beds come down and the kids could sleep on them. It has the 3-season patio doors by More Ride in the back, and it has the half bath in the garage. The garage is 15 feet long in this one, and it also includes the washer dryer prep in the garage, so we like that. But this is one of the options that we have in our heads, and converting the toy hauler section into the kids' room. Okay, so this is the Cedar Creek 355 LF. I know you're probably thinking, finally, not a Grand Design product, but we really like this floor plan. It has the east-west bed, as you can see. Really nice bathroom, nice single molded fiberglass shower with a big exhaust fan above the toilet. That is a bonus. It's got a coat closet as soon as you walk in. Nice residential stove with a convection microwave. An open floor plan. I don't like how the TV is not in front of the sitting area. You have to turn your head to look at the TV from the sitting area. That is one of the few downfalls that I saw of this layout. It has a lot of storage in the pantry. You can see the shelves are all open from top to bottom. This is what makes this floor plan unique. It has a rear type living area. Nice desk for the kids to do their work, and a half bath with an entry and exit door included on that side. But then you get up the stairs a bonus area for a loft style bunk. But again, we are moving out of the 31MB mid bunk that we have now because there's not much space for the kids to sit up, and so I don't think that this floor plan would work for us, but it is a really neat floor plan. We do like it. And again, this is a Cedar Creek 355 LF. Alright everybody, thank you so much for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed some of those floor plans. That's just a few of what we have found, but look at what else I found in our camper.
Hey!
What'd you get on your face, guy?
Makeup. My makeup. He got into it.
Yeah, we'll have a talk about that. Stuff's expensive, bro. So why are we getting a new camper? Why are we looking at getting a new camper?
I just hit my head too much.
Because you hit your head too much, don't you?
Sometimes I'm like sleeping and then I wake up
Bonk.
and hit my head.
Yep. And we want to try to find a camper to solve that problem, don't we?
Yes, my bed's gonna be much bigger. It's gonna be like an L-shaped bed, and Daddy can probably sit up in it.
I hope so. So I hope you all enjoyed this video with some of the floor plans. Again, in the comment section, let us know what you have. If you have a toy hauler that you converted over to a family mobile, or if you have a bunkhouse, let us know what you have so that we can check it out. I greatly appreciate your time, and thank you for watching the video. If you don't mind, please subscribe, and we'll catch you down the road.
Bye!